Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately by ensuring a current backup. This preserves apps and settings. Once done, make sure Find My iPhone is off by signing out of your Apple ID because activation lock prevents erasing otherwise. Next, open Settings, tap General, then Reset. Select Erase all content and settings. You're taking control now. The phone will ask for your passcode and Apple ID password to confirm. This protects your data and prepares the iPhone X for a clean restart. You must respond to prompts. Enter the device passcode, then the Apple ID password to disable activation lock. This authorizes the erase. After you confirm Erase all content and settings, the iPhone X will begin erasing. Watch for the Apple logo and a progress bar. This process can take several minutes. Do not interrupt it. Once the firmware finishes, the device reboots to the Hello Setup screen. You've executed the core wipe, so the phone is ready for setup or transfer. You now complete setup. Choose Restore from iCloud or iTunes if you want your data back, or Setup as new for a fresh start. Sign in with your Apple ID to reactivate iCloud, Face ID, and App Store access. If the device asks for a previous owner's Apple ID, activation lock is active. Verify you signed out before erasing. If problems persist, contact Apple support and be ready to show proof of purchase. That resolves most lock or activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.